Hi, it's Brady Holsire here with Direct Liquidation. I'm excited to share with you as we're live on site right now with one of our enterprise clients. We'd really love to show you some of these pallets that we have for sale. Our new buyers list has these in there, and a lot of these are on Direct Liquidation. So definitely talk to your sales rep for more information. But what I'm going to do now is actually break down from these pallets. I'm going to take specific items like this one off the pallet, highlight that item to you, and then I'm going to set them to the side. What we're going to do is show you what the value of each of these items are so that you can understand what value you're getting inside of these pallets. And one of the cool things that we've experienced here today is that these items are mostly in light new or new condition. So you're going to find a lot of items that are still in box. For example, like this Cuisinart, awesome kitchen appliance. This item is in brand new condition, and it's in this pallet of general merchandise you can buy below 10% of retail. So it's a great deal for our customers, just like you, to come in and get great quality goods. This pillow right here is in, again, brand new condition. Give you an example of what that looks like. Set it to the side. Let's take a look at another one. Here's a bedding set, a 3-piece comforter, full queen comforter set. Again, this item right here, brand new condition, still in its shrink wrap. Got a few other items that are in boxes. This is a mid-sized fabric steam press. So you're not going to be able to see much about the item. No images on it. However, in box, brand new, in great shape for your business to resell. We love partnering with companies just like yours that have bin stores or retail storefronts or export, because what we do as an organization is different than that. We sell products online. We sell products to buyers like you, but we don't have that storefront. So we're trying to partner with companies like you that can do amazing things with customers and these items. Additionally, here we have some luggage. This is a really nice brand of luggage. It's in great condition. Still got the plastic wrap on it. Kind of go around a little bit, and you can see that this luggage is in great shape and on this pallet, ready for you to take. And again, I've got to emphasize and reiterate that all the goods in this pallet are a similar condition. So you're not guessing, am I going to get a return that's in terrible condition, heavily used goods? This product is in great shape and does not leave you in that position to where you have to take a chance and a gamble on everything that you buy from us and find out later that, hey, a lot of these goods are not in great shape. This is an example. This return here is cellular shades, a soft window right here with the rod included. This item is still in box, ready to go. We'll go through just a couple more to highlight exactly what you're getting from us when you buy pallets like this. Here is another duvet, down comforter, bagged and ready for retail sales, which is something that I'm really proud of that this team does here so well, is it gets it into a state that your business can put it on the shelf now, never have to worry about doing any extra labor or touches to put it into a condition or packaging to sell on a retail shelf. One more example here. We have another in-box item. It's going to take a moment to get to, but I wanted to pull it. Hang tight, just a second. This comforter set is still in box. It's Madison Park brand, which is a great brand. You find it across many online retailers. And again, this item is in brand new condition, still in box, taped, wrapped, everything that your business can put straight to the shelf. And again, at great prices. We generate these pallets every single day inside this facility, and we have them in other facilities as well. Today we're in Lenexa, Kansas, but you can buy these types of pallets in Columbus, Ohio, and in Bentonville, Arkansas as well. So please reach out to us with more information about your company and what you're looking to buy, and we'll get you set up to get the invoices over and get product moving your way so that you can put it on your shelf and sell it to your customers today. Thank you.